to talk about on how to find the arithmetic means between the terms in an arithmetic sequence. Let's have this given problem. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 2 and 14. So our first term is 2, then followed by 3 arithmetic means, then we have the last term which is 14. Okay, so to find the arithmetic means, we're going to use the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Our purpose here is to find the value of d, or the common difference, which will be used in finding the succeeding terms after the first term. So a sub n is 14, or the last term. Then our a sub 1, or the first term, is 2 plus n. So this is the number of terms. So we have how many terms? 2 and 14, we have 2 terms plus 3 arithmetic means, so we have 5. So therefore we have 5 terms minus 1 times d. So 14 is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4d. So here we're going to move 2 to the left side of the equation so that we can combine both constants. So 14, move 2 to the left, from positive it will become negative. Then we have 4d on the right side of the equation. So 14 minus 2 is 12. Is equal to 4d. Then divide both sides of the equation by 4. So d, kasi 4d over 4 is d. Then 12 divided by 4 is 3. So our common difference here is 3. Then we have this common difference. All you have to do is to add this common difference in our first term. So first term, which is 2 plus 3, is 5. Then from 5 we add 3 again. 5 plus 3, we have 8. Then 8 plus 3, 11. Therefore our arithmetic means are 5, 8, and 11. Next, we have the given problem. Insert 8 arithmetic means between 47 and 2. So we have the first term, which is 47. Then we insert 8 arithmetic means. 6, 7, 8. Then we have 2. So to get this arithmetic means, we're going to use the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So again, we have to look for the value of d, or the common difference. So our a sub n, or the last term, is 2. Then our first term is 47 plus our n is how many? So 2 plus 8 arithmetic means we have 10. So 10 minus 1 times d. Okay. So 2 is equal to 47 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 D. Then we're going to move 47 to the left side of the equation. So 2 from positive 47 will become negative 47 is equal to 9 D. 2 minus 47 is negative 45 is equal to 9 D. Then divide both sides of the equation by 9. So D is equal to negative 45 divided by 9. We have negative 5. So we have a common difference of negative 5. Now we're going to add negative 5 to the first term, which is 47. So 47 plus negative 5 is 42. Then add again negative 5 to 42, we have 37. Then add again negative 5, 32. Then we have 27, 22, 17, 12. Then we have 7. So we have these 8 arithmetic means: 42, 37, 32, 27, 22, 17, 12, and 7.